Okay, somebody out there that didn't vote for me, but they viewed me. Oh my gosh. You other people out there that want to view me, also subscribe. Like this one guy that viewed me, but thought I was awful, so didn't subscribe. Don't think that though. Please actually subscribe.
Well, I'll
to my
kill you.
views. Yeah, what my friend said. Or else,
Baby man will come to haunt you with
bubble smoking man
with baby kitten will all come to haunt you.
Mr. Cat will see you in your sleep. Mr. Wannabe Gangsta Night Retard will always be watching. Mr. Skullman will, I don't know what Mr. Skullman will do.
Yeah, because he doesn't even have arms or a neck or a torso of any kind.
Yeah. And of course, Mr. Corgi will kill you.
Yeah, corgis, they're like feisty, like jungle cats. Wow.